Now, to go about designing your ebook cover, first of all, what you need is this app called pixllab. This app here called pixllab, this one. So go download it on your Play Store. I'm not going to teach you how to download that. You can go do that on your Play Store. So now let's enter the app, and we want to create a book cover. Now there's different lengths and heights to create book cover, but the fastest way we can do is 5 by 8. So you come down to size. See where I went to? This here. I went here to this 3 dots, tapped on it, and then came here, then came down here to size, and then here we're going to now type in 5 and here 8. So you have your perfect book cover, and let's begin creating. Now I want to create a book cover based on all of these 3 topics, or let's say names of the book. So let's start with this book mastery. Let's start. What we do is to copy all of them, come back to our app, and then let me cancel this. Okay, and then tap on this plus, and then go to text on top here, tap on it, and then we're going to paste it here. Paste it. So we now have this as our title. So let's begin. Let's kind of edit this by coming to this A. You see this A down here? Yeah, this A. So we'll come to this A. It's going to give us access to edit our text. So we want to kind of change the positioning of our text. We want to make it centered. So let's see. Come to this here, align, and then we're going to align to the center. And then we're going to take it up here like this. So we're going to change the font by tapping it again, and then come fonts, and let's just look for a basic font or any type of fonts. Crazy fonts, not really crazy fonts. Let's go down. Let's see. Okay, let's see this font. So this font is kind of basic and it's okay. So let's begin with the design of the book. Now to continue our design, we'll come here to this app called Pixels. This is where we're going to get resources. So I want to look for an eye, because it has to do with grabbing attention, and eye has to do with seeing and kind of, you understand what I mean. So let's search for eye and see. Yeah, let's see. Let's search for something. Let's see. Let's look at this black one. I don't know why I like the black one, but let's download it. We're going to this plus here to add the image we just downloaded. This plus here, then plus from gallery, and then we're going to add the recent image we just downloaded. This, and perfect, like this. So we want to further design it. So what we're going to do to take this image back and have our text in front is simply we'll just come down to this, we'll go up rather to this here, this box, tap on it, and then tap on this our image here. We drag it down, and then you can see our writings or title is now there. So we can just put it somewhere like this. Yeah, something like this. Very simple. And let's lock this so it's not going to be moving. Let's just lock this our writings by tapping that lock sign there. Yeah, this lock sign. So we've locked it. So our writings is not going to be moving on the image. So what we're going to do with the image now is to kind of reduce the opacity I don't like the way it's kind of shouting. So what we do is to tap on the image and come down here, come down here to this. So we'll tap on it and we now have options for editing. So we'll just slide and then come down to opacity and reduce the opacity like this. So you can see we've kind of reduced the opacity and good. So you could kind of toy with the colors. So saturation, you can kind of make it darker, or increase saturation, change the color, kind of light green. So I'm going for green like that, and then make it saturated for the green. So something like this, change the saturation, good. So we will lock the image also, and we are now not done, will I say, but we're still moving. So what we'll do next is kind of let's make the background white. So to make the background, to influence the background, you come down here, see here, here. So to influence it, tap here, come to color, and then we're now going to change the color to what we want. So this color is kind of nice. So you can see you can change the color to what you like, but this green is kind of nice. So good, I'm going with the green. Let's kind of add just few things, just more things, not really much. We don't want to make the cover kind of shouty, so let's just make it very simple. So let's add one more thing. So this is what I did. I downloaded a watch picture. So what we do is to come to this side that says remove.bg. This side that says remove.bg, it helps you to remove background of images. So we'll just come here and then tap on upload picture or upload image. So let's upload, let's say this one, done. And you see, perfect. So what we'll do is to download the image, and we have it on our device. So we'll just go back now to, and then come to this plus, add from gallery, and then tap here. This is what we want to add. Let's just reduce this. Reduce this, good. And yes, this opacity, let's reduce the opacity like this. Let's see like this. So yeah, this is fine. So I just put this by Kenny Walkway. And if you want to save your design, all you have to do is to come up here, here, tap on it, and then tap on this, slide down, tap on PNG, tap on this custom, tap on ultra, and then save to gallery. Then that is you simply save it. Now after you're done with your design, you can see this is my ebook. You can see the quality. This is another one. This one didn't really come out well. Now let me show you guys how to get a very good mock-up like this. So what you do is come to this site here, this mockupbro.com. now this gives you free mockups and very good mockups like you can use. You can see CDs, a lot of mockups you can use, and they are all free. You can see all of this. So you just choose the mockup that you want to use for your book. So let's just use this one and see. Standing book, tap on it, and it's actually very simple to use, and it's free. So most other mockup sites are kind of paid site. So what you do is to upload. You see this place that says upload, you upload your design. So we'll come to browse, go to our design, our main design, and you come here and you just tap on the design, and you see it's going to upload. So you can now zoom in to fit in the box. You can see the rectangle, you can zoom in to fit in it so that your design is going to come out well. This is due to, and I told you guys that books have different sizes, so different lengths and heights, so you just kind of edit it to such a way that it's going to fit in the mock-up. So we want it like this, and then we are good. So we'll just come down here and then tap on this crop and continue, and it's going to do its own magic, and you see it up here. So you can see your book is ready, your mock-up. So you can just come here to this background and tap on this color, or you can even use any other image for the background that you want. So you just tap on the color that you it here. So you could just download it by just coming down here and click on download, and it's going to just download, and you have your book. And that is just how simple you could create a book. Now you could be very creative. You could do a lot of things with this app, and I have a course that teaches you exactly how to become a pro in graphic design, and the link is going to be in the description of this video. So if you want to take this to another level and you want to learn more things, I would advise you get that course. So we're done. See you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.